To publish a video on YouTube, you need the video itself. You'll also need a thumbnail for that video. And to complete it, the video needs a title. For instance, when all 3 required jobs are approved and marked as ready, the system will automatically create a new job, upload to platform, and copy all the necessary files from the respective jobs into it. This means you don't have to manually pass files to the next executor. Files are prepared and access is automatically granted to the job's executor or client. In Reports.re, this automation is handled through a job scenario. To create a job scenario, open the menu in the top panel and go to the Automation section. Then, head to Job Scenario Templates. To create a new one, click the Create button at the bottom. Start by giving your template a name. For example, Upload to Platform, English. Then, set the automation type to Task Operation Chain. Next, define the status of the job after the scenario is executed. You can set it to Ready. For the new job type, set it to Upload to Platform. For the job tag, you can match it with the source job by selecting Language Version. The goal of this job scenario is to automatically create a new publishing job and copy all related files into it once all required jobs are marked as ready. To ensure this runs correctly and avoids duplicate jobs, you need to select a few key criteria, such as don't create a job if the job type already exists. Don't create a job if that type of job has already been created by this template. Copy files from the approved folder and copy files from the ready folder. These settings stop the system from creating a new job if one of the same type already exists in the scenario, whether it was added manually or generated by this template. For example, when the publishing job already exists, the system won't create and add a new one to the card. It will simply copy all the files from the required ready jobs into the existing publishing job. And since we've selected Copy files from the approved folder and copy files from the ready folder, all files from those folders will be automatically copied into the Sources folder of the new job. These conditions ensure smooth automation without duplicates, carrying all the right files into the publishing job. Next, add the job conditions that must be met to trigger the scenario. Since we want the scenario to run when all required jobs are ready, you can set the status of each required job to Ready and then select the job types such as thumbnail, title and description, and video edition. You can also assign the job tag to English, so the conditions are specific to that job language. Once everything is filled in, click Add to create your new job scenario template. Now, back in Card View, you can assign the job scenario to each relevant job to enable automatic job creation. To do this, hover over the job snippet, click the scenario icon, and select the scenario you just created. You can repeat this for each job as needed. Once all the required jobs, such as video edition, title and description and thumbnail, are set with the scenario and marked as ready, the system will automatically create a new publishing job and copy all files from the other required jobs into it. The workflow can be automated even further. In other videos, it's explained how to assign scenarios to multiple jobs at once and even automatically create source jobs with scenarios already assigned. You can take it even further, automating the process to the point where cards are created with all jobs and scenarios in place. Reports.re is the best tool that frees you from routine, so you can focus on what matters most.